Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW X3 cabin air filter, only way. Open the glove box, remove the retaining clips, and lower the glove box to reveal the filter cover panel. Unclip the cover carefully and slide the old filter straight out to avoid dislodging debris. Inspect the housing, vacuum if needed, and insert the new filter with the arrows pointing toward the cabin for correct airflow. Make sure you have a trim tool, Phillips screwdriver, a small torch, and the correct replacement filter for your BMW X3. Park on level ground and set the parking brake, then open the glove box and clear out its contents to avoid dropping anything inside. Work in a well-lit area and wear gloves to keep the filter clean and protect your hands while unclipping plastic trim pieces during removal and installation. Lower the glove box and locate the two retaining stops on the sides. Press them inward to let the box drop further. Unclip the rectangular filter housing cover and slide the old filter straight out while holding a cloth underneath to catch dust. Check the housing for debris, vacuum if needed, insert the new filter with arrows toward the cabin, snap the cover back on, and lift the glove box back into place, re-engaging the stops securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.